Time now 6:37, and there's a birthday celebration taking place at the Potawatomi Zoo this weekend, and you're invited.
That sounds good. One of the animals is turning the big 1-7, and he's looking forward to opening his presents or maybe destroying them. Today, Alex the chimp is at the Potawatomi Zoo making our WSBT Summer Break Fun List. It's a giant list of fun and affordable ideas to keep your kids, especially your kids, very busy. WSBT's Kristen Bean shows us why you'll want to check out the zoo this weekend.
Meet Alex. He's the big chimp carrying all his stuff.
He's a very outgoing chimpanzee, very intelligent.
Alex lives at the Potawatomi Zoo with his friend Babyface. Alex is a teenager, and he'll be turning the big 17 tomorrow. And just like any of us, he's looking forward to a big birthday party.
He'll be excited. He'll be standing up. His hair will probably be standing on end. He'll be running around. He'll be clapping. He'll be banging the grounds.
The zoo is holding a special birthday celebration for Alex. Everyone is invited.
Like stuffed animals.
That includes unwrapping presents and treats.
He loves the gift bags, tissue paper, everything like that. We put streamers up. He'll tear that down. So yeah, he's a big kid.
You can come help celebrate Alex's birthday all day tomorrow. He's going to be out and about enjoying the presents. And the zoo says if you want to bring presents of your own, come on down, bring those with, or just come to say hi. Of course, the zoo is open tomorrow and throughout the rest of the summer and even into the fall. I'm Kristen Bean in South Bend, WSBT Channel 22 News.
Now, we are adding the Potawatomi Zoo to our summer fun list right now, but we need your help as well to make that list grow. Head to our website, WSBT.com, and suggest your favorite summer break activity. We may send Kristen there next week.
And there are a lot of good ideas on that list. Just this week, Carrie and I ventured out to the Elkhart County 4-H Fair for Kids Day, which was one of the things on that list. Here's Carrie's son, and there we are with our kids. It was fun. I mean, it was really a fun day. The kids had a blast.
It really was, but Leo, every time we took
around.
a picture, he would turn his back to the camera. This one I said, I will take your ice cream away if you don't look at the camera, and so he did.
I think that was one of their favorite parts, seeing the little chicks.
There was little chicks, they rode tractors. I mean, it was really fun. And that fair still goes on. There you go, Leo. That was Leo's favorite part, riding the tractor.
The tractor.
Yeah, and running around with Anna.
You had to watch out for him. He was kind of dangerous on that thing.
He was ramming the other tractors a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it was fun. So check out our list, because there's lots of good ideas like that on there.
That was cool. No one wants